Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Crystal. My channel name is Criddlebubs and it's been a while, so I have lots of things to haul for you guys. So I hope everyone's been keeping well. And I have just a lot of things. I think I've been a month since my last video, so between Boxing Day sales and semi-annual Bath and Body Works sales, of course Dollar Tree, Dollarama, there's some good stuff out there and I snagged it. Christmas money came in handy. I got to buy myself some goodies, and yeah, I hope to share this with you. I'm just trying to find time to fit it all in. So today we're going to do Dollarama and Dollar Tree. I have an assortment of things. So how about my favorite find of the week? Starting with Dollarama. Wow, guys. 4 Vim containers for $4. Yeah, I'm sorry, but that's a steal. 300 wipes in total, 4 packages, and each package has 75 wipes. So some of the cashiers were saying they were flying off the shelf, and it's no wonder why, but I have been to a few stores and there's still some there. Some might be getting late stock or whatever, but yeah, if you find this, fantastic deal. So $4, can't beat it. So that's that one. I've been on the hunt for wooden hearts. So you're gonna see all kinds of wooden hearts that I've come across from actually finding what I wanted to at the very end. But to show you kind of my pattern, I'll show you some of the things I did find. So I want to paint the wooden hearts into the conversation hearts and then write the cute little words on them. So not really finding them in the craft section yet, or Valentine section. I found these ones at Dollarama, and this is a 30 pack of assorted shapes. So $2 for 30. So in there, I'm getting 6 hearts. I believe, is that what I counted? Something like that. I think there's 4 different shapes in there, 30 pieces. Yeah, you're probably getting 6 or 7 hearts in there, but yeah, I just thought, of course, you can use the other things for many other items as well, but yeah, so I did find those. And then when the Valentine started coming out, I found this one. This is great, so $2, and they're all kinds of sizes. So they're all hearts, and they're saying you get 100 pieces in there. So that was a great grab. There's that one. There's a story behind these. So I found more, I've been wanting to do some painting. I bought all new paints again from Michael's when they have their multi-packs. I like to grab them, so I have a refreshed and brand new replenished stock of paints. And so I just wanted to show that if you're at Dollarama, you can still get a 5-piece set for $1.25 versus my 2- and 3-piece sets that are at Dollar Tree, which I'll show you in the next part of the haul. But yeah, I found these after the fact of the other ones. So yeah, I wanted to get some brand new brushes for my brand new paints, and so that's why I grabbed these. So yeah, still a really excellent deal, $1.25 for 5 paintbrushes. So I grabbed those. I thought this was a really nice pattern, $1.25, and they're napkins. But look at that. I mean, kind of like a wood grain if you put it on some of your wood pieces for decoupage. I just really love that pattern. It's a brown or a taupe color, and if you're using it for its said purpose, there are 16 pieces in here, but all us crafters know that napkins are a nice fix for our craft room. So yeah, I like those ones. Carrying on, today was interesting. So they have a 22-inch chain. These were found in the craft section. So this is the chain, 22 inches long, and it comes with some of the hardware. So you could cut them apart and make a bracelet, make several bracelets, make a necklace and a bracelet. So yeah, so this one was $1.50. So there was that pattern. And then I found a second pattern, and it looks like this. And it's more of a darkened silver. And again, it comes with the hardware, so you can create your own necklace, bracelets, chains, whatever. So that was interesting. So they were each $1.50. So I grabbed those today. And then I was on the hunt for this, and I found it. And so this is just color by numbers, kind of your adult version. So they're all numbered in there. And it comes with the colored pencils. The colored pencils are numbered as well. And they're actually giving you 5 patterns in here. So I thought that was fantastic. So I was on the hunt for that, so I grabbed it. I'm going to jump over now to Dollar Tree, and where to begin? Let me do Valentine. So I found this sweetest squishy or scrunchy or stuffy. I don't know what we're calling them these days, but it's a narwhal, and I just thought he was adorable. So he's purple and pink, and I wanted to snatch him up before they were all gone. I haven't seen any gnomes come through yet, but I'm sure they'll make an appearance. Last year they were hard item to come across, so we'll see if they come out with more stock, but they have different gnomes this year. There's some smaller versions that stand up, and then they have the taller 14-inch ones I've seen on the Dollar Tree website as well. Sort of like the snowman and Santa and the elves that came out at Christmas. They're making those in the big size this year for Valentine, so keep your eye out for those. I hope I find them. Just a pair of the gnome short socks, so I grabbed those. I like those. And I missed out on this one last year, so I grabbed it this year. And it's just the cute gnome sitting on the galvanized heart. I got the one with the big heart and the hands on it, and then I had the other one with the 3 gnomes, but I did not get this one last year, so I just wanted to grab him. So I got that one as well, and then this one was cute too. So those are the only signs I bought this year for Valentine's Day, and it's just the 3 gnomes in the red truck, and their noses are slightly raised, if you can see on the board. So how cute. Their beards are glittered, and the XOXO is glittered. So that's how cute that is. Yes, thank you. Guess what? All Christmas season I was hunting high and low for these, and I mentioned it on my channel. Christmas is over, they made their return. The 6-pack of tapes. I don't know, were they hiding them in the back room because they wanted to sell more individual ones? I don't know. The 6-pack tapes are back, so thanks. I think that's funny. So going on to my hearts. I grabbed this one just because it was cute with the cutout in the center. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but you're getting 8 pieces in there, and it comes with the string. So I thought those were cute. And let me see. Finally, after all my high and low searching for the hearts, they actually came out with a 6-piece by Craft Medley, and they're pretty thick too. You can see the thickness of those. So these will be perfect for my conversation hearts, and I grabbed 2. So there's 12 hearts there now. So I'm very happy about that. I did grab a new 6-pack palette paint tray just for convenience. I've always used just a styrofoam plate, but I thought, you know what, let's just dive in and get one. So that can be kept with my new paint stash. So I grabbed that. I found these tiny little 24-piece wood discs. So that's the size of them. They're pretty little. And I want to build some Jenga trucks. So the Jenga blocks, I want to make some miniature wood trucks, and I thought these would be the perfect size for their wheels. So you're getting 24, so this will do 6 trucks. So I just thought that was a great find. I was looking for this glue marker, and it finally came. I caught myself in the store though, because take notice, this says fine tip. They also have broad tip. So make sure you're grabbing the one that you want. I grabbed fine tip. People say, like drawing on a card or whatever, you use this and you can sprinkle your glitter or whatever and it's going to stick fine. That's an idea, or just for card making, craft making, using it as glue, but that was my purpose, is for drawing like letters or calligraphy and then sprinkling the glitter on it to see how it turns out. So I found that. Here's all the what do you call it? My mind has drawn a blank. What do you call these? Paintbrushes. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day. So there's a big one and a mini one, $1.25. There's 3 different sizes in there. And then there's 3 different ones in there. So, like I said, your better deal right now is still at Dollarama. $1.25, you're getting 5. So keep your eyes out for those, because I'm sure that won't last long. I've never tried these before, but I thought they might be easier to use than the paintbrush for like a bigger surface. For example, using my hearts, just putting the base layer on. I'm going to try these out, see if I like it. I grabbed this glue because sometimes I hear people say it's hard to find3 and poster board adhesive. I've never tried it, but I've heard good things, so I wanted to try that out. I found 3 different sets of pens. Paper Mate, and this is the erasable gel. So I wanted to try that. And then this one is the Cello or Cello Super Glide. And they are in the colors of the lid, so colored ink, so I grabbed those. And then this one is black ink, and it's an actual fountain pen. So it comes with the cartridges, and then it's that really fun tip. So if anyone's new or trying calligraphy, I just thought I would give my hand a try at that, so I picked that one up. And then the last 2 or 3 things, they have a sugar-free version of cough drops now. So you get 20 in there, and they are the black cherry flavor as opposed to the regular cherry, and you're getting 30 drops. So not that I need sugar-free, but I wanted to try the black cherry version because I already have the cherry ones. So I grabbed those. I love my cooking spray, so inexpensive at the Dollar Tree when you can find it. Has anyone noticed all the vegetable oil is off the shelves? I can't believe the price of vegetable oil right now. Not too long ago, before Christmas, we were getting those at least 1-liter bottles for $1.25. You go into a store for groceries, a 3-liter jug's now $9.99 at least. It's insane. I don't know how these prices fluctuate and why, but yeah, we have to go with the flow, right? And then I did find nail polish remover, and this one says acetone, so I'm hoping it's the 100% acetone because that's the only kind of remover I use now. When you have glitter nails or whatever, this stuff is the best. So I'm hoping this is the pure acetone as opposed to the mixed version that a lot of people use as well. So anyways, that was a lot. I'm finished now. So I got one more thing. I love this little trash can. So Dollar Tree again, $1.25. It's just a nice little bedside little garbage can, or for your craft room, or wherever you want it. But yeah, I've had my eye on it for a while. I'm like, just grab it. So I did. But yeah, nice seeing you guys. I'm glad to be back. I hope to have some more hauls up for you soon. And until we see you next time, have a great day. Bye.